One of sharks tearing at my flesh. The sea, they don't give up. They're thirsty, they're hungry. The floor makes it harder to touch, and now I can't move with the sweep and a crunch. Now I see you, violent and dirty.
You know, you're running up there now, but you're feeling nervous, or would you be thinking, what the hell am I doing here? Can I get out of it now?
So yeah, I'm not
Dangerous, and on my count, we're moving. Makes it harder to touch, and now I can't move with the sweep and a crunch. Now I see you, violent and dirty, and I wanna be